Hi guys, this is the day of PTI and here I'm checking the edges of the panels matching with the other panels. So this is how things are going. I would be checking all the panels, all sides of the car. So the thing I noticed was the driving side door was a little bit off from the second panel, and they said they would be able to make those changes at the near workshop, which is around 15 kilometers. So they asked us while we're getting back, they can stop at the workshop and get that knob to be changed. So it wasn't much difference. They said they would be able to fix that. So let's see how that goes on that day. And in the meanwhile, I've checked everything: the headlamps, the positioning, and the humanity grill, and the lamps, everything. So I've checked for all the scratches and I didn't find any. So the car was in good condition. Now I'm getting inside of the car. So I've already checked the controls before. So it was in the basement. So I asked them to put in a bright side where I can check all the sides of the car because I wasn't able to see in that basement. It was really dark. So I made sure to uh, bring it outside and check everything. So there we go, the odometer reading 21.9 kilometers. Uh, that's it. And I'm checking the sunroof. It works fine. All the three buttons. There you go. Yeah, working fine. Now the back seat covers and everything, no scratches, no uh, dark spots or everything. These modes should display on the odometer, so they're showing perfectly, no problem at all here. And then we've already checked the AC controls and the volume controls before. I'll show you in a minute. So that is basically it. You have to check for all these things, and also don't forget, when you open your driving seat um, you'll find the chassis number to the bottom of your door. So you can find it that way, and you can match when the car was manufactured. So I'll also show how it's done. I'll basically share a screenshot in which you'll have all the ways to decode the manufacture date. So that's it guys. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to my channel. I have seen many people who were facing the delivery issues. Even I was one of the person who had gone through the same situation. Booked the car on December of 14th. Later this after 12 weeks they said I have booked for blue color, so I would have to take the blue color only. So we have gone up and down on this car, because we have booked only the silver version, and blue was only a choice when they would provide the car within 6 to 8 weeks. Otherwise we said we would only prefer for silver, and it was been our first priority from the start. So then they said, we'll look into it, but you would be having to pay the hiked amount. We said we are not going to pay the hike amount at all. So if we would also complain if this goes any further. So we had thought, we have some comebacks from them, and they have talked to their regional manager, and it went on for a time. And finally we have done the documentation today, and everything went fine. The documentation took some time. So we had booked many cars. We have taken many cars before, Honda City, etc., etc. But it the documentation time it took here wasn't. I mean, was very less. I mean, relatively, it would be half the time. But this guys took some time. Almost we went for 11 o'clock, and we came back home at 6 o'clock. That long it took for documentation. So yeah, we had some. There are some drawbacks within the customer support, but overall experience with the car and with the executives, it was really good. The manager was very sweet. He He took care of everything, and I wish they had given us seat covers, mud guards, or something of that sort. They were like, sir, giving this hiked discount only was a very big task for us, but we tried our best to get your car at the previous price. So yeah, it went quite well. So here you go. He's checking all the controls. He's helping. This executive name is Fayaz. He's helping me with everything. So everything is perfectly shown and presented. And here is the manager who comes down and I mean he does something with the knob and it almost aligns with the other panel, the backdoor panel, but still there is still a slight difference which they said they would be working at the workshop. So it was promised and he said he would give us in written so that we can show at the workshop and get that done.
కొంచెం బెటర్
బెటర్ కదా అది సర్వీస్ దీంట్లో వాళ్ళు ఇక్కడ ఇది చేస్తారు అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్ బుష్ ఉంటుంది అనమాట
ఓకే
ఈ బుషెస్ అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్ చేయడానికి ఉంటుంది
ఓకే
ఈ గ్యాప్ ఏమైనా ఉంటే అడ్జస్ట్ చేయడానికి ఇట్లా తిప్పుతారనమాట అది సర్వీస్ వాళ్ళు చేస్తారు కరెక్ట్ అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్ అది క్లీన్ కలర్ అది
The car wasn't cleaned, just पानी डाल के उन्होंने वैसे रख दिया था. Yeah, I checked every side of the car. It was fine without any scratches. During the delivery, I would check again.
హలో మా
I'm talking with my mom to video call and show everything how my car looks. She didn't come for the PDI. Obviously, she would come for the final delivery. Yeah,
అవునా
I checked the bonnet inside of the engine. No rusting, nothing. Everything is fine. Make sure you're checking that as well. So this is inside the basement. The backside I wasn't able to check properly, so we asked them to take the car out to check everything. So yeah, this is how the PDI was done.
There seems to be an issue with the front door, the driving door. Everything is fine. इसका थोड़ा बम्प आगे आ रहा है. So ज़्यादा lighting नहीं है. I told him to put it outside. He kept loud. Yeah, I was able to check everything. All the edges match fine. Little up and down is there, but still it's manageable.